Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Sanam Tutor. Students, today's session is very important. Today in this session we discuss worksheet 5 and worksheet 6 of chapter Introduction to Algebra class 6 DAV Public School Cuttack. So this session is important for your periodic test too, also important for your annual exam 2024-25. We already covered complete concept of the chapter Introduction to Algebra, also worksheet 1 to worksheet 4. If you not see the session, then you can see by click on I button or you can go to the playlist. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. So start the session. First question, are the following monomial? First tell me what is monomial. Now monomial means the expression which have only one term. Okay. So how to add? Now first write down 3x plus, because here is addition, 5x plus 2x. Now we only add the coefficient of the variable, that is 3 plus 5 plus 2, then x, that is 538 plus 2, that is 10x. And also remember like term can be added or subtracted. Okay, now D number. Okay, how to solve? Now first we write minus 2xy plus, because for addition we write in place of comma, that is plus. Next 7xy plus 15xy plus minus 10xy plus xy plus minus xy. Okay. Now we arrange the same sign, because we know that same sign are added and different sign are subtracted. So first we arrange, that is minus 2xy minus or plus minus 10xy, then plus minus xy. Okay. Then we arrange the plus, that is 7xy plus 15xy plus xy. Understand? Now we know that same sign means addition and put the same sign. So minus, only add the coefficient, that is 2 plus 10, that is 12 plus 1, that is 13xy, that is minus 13xy. Understand? Now plus, here is same sign means addition, that is 15, 1, 16, 7, 23xy. Now different sign means subtraction. First we subtract, that is 23 minus 13, that is 10, big number is plus, then xy. Okay, so answer is 10xy. So next question, B number, 5a comma minus 7a. First we write down 5a plus a plus minus 7a, then minus 7a is bracket. Okay. Now here is same sign, so first simply add coefficient, that is 5 plus 1, nothing means 1, that is 5 plus 1, that is 6a plus minus 7a. Now different sign means subtraction, 7 minus 6, that is 1, a and sign is minus, so minus 1a, or simply we write minus a. Okay. Next, in number, first we write down 3a plus 4b plus minus 6a bracket plus minus 2b bracket plus minus 5a bracket plus 10b. Now arrange the like term. Okay, first we write down 3a plus minus 6a plus minus 5a. Okay, now we arrange 4b plus minus 2b plus 10b. Understand? Now same sign. Okay, here is same sign, so added, that is 3a minus plus minus 11a, because we know that same sign means addition and put the same sign, that is minus 11a. Okay. Similarly here 4 and 10 will be added, that is 14b, because same sign, plus minus 2b. Okay, now again check, here is different sign means subtraction. So 11 minus 3, that is 8, sign is minus, because different sign means first we subtract, then put the big number sign. So big number sign is minus, so minus 8. Okay, plus here is same different sign means subtraction, that is 12b, and big number is plus. Now this is the answer. Okay, and here is different unlike term never be added or subtracted. Okay, only like term be added. Next, C number, 2abc plus minus abc plus 5abc. Okay, first 2abc and 5abc will be added because same sign. So 5 plus 2, that is 7abc, or simply you can write 2 plus 5, then bracket abc. Okay, now plus minus abc. So now here is different sign, here is plus, here is minus, different sign means subtraction. So 7 minus 1 is 6 abc, and big number is plus, so answer is plus 6 abc. Understand? Now next question, a plus 6a plus minus 2b plus 5c plus minus 2c. First we put the plus sign in place of comma. Okay, now arrange, that is you already arrange. So first we check, here is same sign means added, 6 plus 1, that is 7a, plus minus 2b, here is different sign, so different sign means subtraction. So big number sign, subtract 5 minus 2, that is 3c. So again this will be written as 7a minus 2b plus 3c. This is the correct answer. Okay, next, find the sum using the column method. Okay, how to solve in column method? Okay, first write down 7a plus 2b. Okay, and the next one is 3a, so write down 3a plus 4b, now added. So 4 plus 2, that is 6b plus 10a, so answer. Similarly b number, first write down 2x square minus y square, here is 3x square plus 5y square. Okay, now so here is different sign, so different sign means subtraction. 5 minus 1, that is 4, big number is plus, that is y square. Understand, there are the two rule. One rule is same sign, if same sign then the number will be added and put the same sign. If the different sign, then first we subtract, then big number sign. Okay, now here is x square, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, now so next question, first write down C number, that is minus 4x minus 5y, then 3x minus 8y, simply addition. So here is same sign means first we put the same sign, the number will be added, that is 13y. Here is different sign, subtracted, 4 minus 3, that is 1. So we can write x, big number sign is minus, then 1. Okay, तुम 1 चाहिए लिखी परिबो ना लिखी परिबो, so 1 लेखा हुए basically किछ नहीं माने 1. Understand? Now D. First write down 4x plus 3y plus 5xy. Now 2x plus 10y minus 2xy, then minus 3x minus 3y. Okay, now added. So first check, here is different sign means subtraction, big number sign, 5 minus 2, 3xy. Understand? Now here is the 3y plus 3y and minus 3y cancel, yes or no, or simply you can solve 10 plus 3, here is same sign, means that is 13y minus 3y means different sign, that is 10y. or simply 3y minus 3y cancel. Answer is plus 10y. Okay. Now here is 4 plus 2 is 3x minus 3x, that is 3x plus. Okay, because first we add this two term, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6x. Now is minus 3x, that is 3x. Understand? Now next question. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp Telegram group. Okay. So next question, question number E. Minus 2a plus 3b. Now 5a plus 2b minus c. Now minus a minus b minus c. Simply addition. Check, here is same sign means addition, that is same sign. Number will be added, that is 1 and 1, that is 2c. Here is 3 plus 2, that is 5b. Okay, 5b minus b, that is 4b plus 4b. Here is 2 1 3, that is minus 3a, because same sign be added. Here is 5a, now different sign, so 2a. So answer is 2a. Okay, this is the correct answer. Now F. 3x square plus 4y square. Now plus 2y square plus 2xy minus x square. Okay. Now x square plus 2y square. जब भी तुम एडिशन करिवो then like term तल को like term ही लिखिवो. Okay. Now here will be 2xy. Now here is same sign, so 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 y square plus x square minus x square cancel, so answer is 3x square. So the final answer is 3x square plus 8y square plus 2xy. So next are the using the horizontal method. Okay, horizontal method for solve kariba. How to solve? Now write down solution. 7x plus 3y plus minus 4x minus 2y, then bracket. Now arrange the like term, that is 7x minus 4x plus 3y minus 2y. Okay. Now here is different sign, yes or no? So 7 minus 4, that is 3x, big number is plus. Here is different sign, so big number is plus. 3 minus 2y, answer. Similarly B number, first write down 3a minus 2b plus c plus 3 plus a plus 3b minus 2c minus 4. Now arrange the like term, that is 3a plus a bracket, again plus, in bracket we write minus 2b plus 3b, again plus, in bracket we write the next like term, that is c minus 2c plus 3 minus 4. Understand? Now here is same sign, so addition, that is 4a. Here is different sign subtraction, big number sign is plus, that's why we write plus. So 3 minus 2 1, so 1 तो लिखा हुआ नहीं, direct B. Now here is different sign subtraction, but big number is minus, so minus, same C, because 1 लिखा हुआ नहीं, here is minus 1. Answer. Okay. Next question. Question number C. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, first write down the questions. In place of and we put the plus sign because the question asks find the sum. So now arrange the like term, that is a square plus a square bracket. In again another bracket we write the next like term, that is 2ab minus 2ab. Now next we write down b square plus b square, then bracket. So a square plus a square, that is 2a square. Here is cancel because 2ab minus 2ab, that is 0. So we not write 0 plus 2b square. So answer is 2a square plus 2b square. Understand? Now next D number, xy minus yz plus 2 bracket plus 2yz plus xy minus 7 bracket. Now the third one is 3xy plus 3yz plus 3. Now arrange the like term, that is xy plus xy plus 3xy. Now again arrange minus yz plus 2yz plus 3yz. Now 2 minus 7 plus 3. Okay, now here is all are same sign, so 1 plus 1 2 3 5, so 5xy. Here is 3 plus 2, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4, big number is plus, so 4yz. Here is 3 plus 2, that is 5, here is minus 7, so different sign means minus. 7 minus 5 2, here is minus, so answer is minus 2. So the final answer is 5xy plus 4yz minus 2. Clear? Next, E number, minus 2x square plus 3y square bracket plus 3y square plus 3 minus x square. Next, x square plus y square plus 5 minus 3xy. Okay, first we put the plus sign. Now arrange the like term. So minus 2x square minus x square plus x square. Again 3y square plus 3y square. Here is plus y square. Now arrange the next term is minus 3xy. Okay, now plus 3 plus 5. Okay, all the like term are arranged. Now next, here is x square minus x square cancel, that is minus 2x square. Here is all are similar sign, so plus 3 3 6 plus 1, that is 7y square. Here is minus 3xy because they have no like terms, so plus 5 plus 3, that is 8. This is the answer. So next, F number, 3pq plus 2pr minus 4qr plus minus pq plus 2qr plus pr. Again 4pq minus 3pr plus 2qr. Now arrange the like term, that is 3pq minus pq plus 4pq bracket. Again 2pr plus pr minus 3pr. Again minus 4qr plus 2qr plus 2qr. Okay, now 3 plus 4 7 minus 1, that is 6pq. Here is 2 plus 1 3 cancel. Here is same cancel because 2 to 4 plus 4qr and minus 4qr, that is 0. Here is also 0. 2 plus 1, that is 3pr. Here is minus 3pr is 0. So that is the correct answer is 6pq. Okay. Next, worksheet 6, that is subtraction. Okay, so how to solve subtraction? Same two method, one is column method, another is horizontal method. So first A number, first we write down after form, that is 5x, because the question is subtract 3x from 5x. So first we write down 5x, then subtract sign, then 3x. Now check, here is same sign or different sign? Different sign. So different sign means subtraction. So 5 minus 3 is 2, then plus, then x. Clear? Similarly B number. First write down 3a, now minus 4a, this minus for the subtraction. Okay. Here is same different sign. First minus 4 minus 3, that is 1. So 1 तो लिखा हुआ नहीं, तो directly we write down a, but big number is minus, so minus. Clear? Now C number. First write down x square, then minus 13x square. Okay. Here is same different sign. So subtraction, that is 12. Big number, that is minus x square. Now next D number. First write down 3y, for subtraction minus. Here is minus y. Now minus minus plus, so 3y plus y, so 4y. Okay, all of you clear? So next, यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिवो, चैनल को यदि नुआ अच्छो जेन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिनो, जेन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन क्लिक कर दियो, जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करी फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिवो. ओके. So next question number E. First write down minus 3a. So write down minus 3a. For subtraction write minus, then write down minus 7a. Then bracket. Now minus minus plus. So minus 3a minus minus plus. That is 7a. So now different sign. Different sign means subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. A big number is plus. Clear? Now F number. First write down 3abc. For subtraction, that is minus, then 3abc. Here is same sign. Same sign means addition. That is 6abc. Now same sign, that is minus. All of you clear? Next, subtraction by the column method. This is very important. How to solve? Now first write down after from, that is 2x plus 3y. Okay. Now next write down 3x plus 2y. Before start, first we change the sign of the second one. So how? Now here is plus sign, so it will be minus sign. Okay. Here is nothing means plus sign, so it will be minus sign. जब भी subtract करिवो एटा sign change करिवो तो जो लिखा हो. Okay. So now different sign. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 तो लिखा हुआ नहीं, that is y. Big number is plus, so plus. Similarly here is subtraction. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 लिखा हुआ नहीं, that is x. That is minus because big number is minus. Similarly B number. First write down 3b square minus 4a square, then write down this one, that is a square. So a square तले लिखिबो. Now here is 2b square. So ये plus को उड़ाइली ना, because इज किछि नाही माने nothing माने plus. Now sign change, that is here is minus because plus अछि, so minus हे जिवो. इवन plus अछि, minus हे जिवो. Now देखो same sign, because a sign को एबे देखिबो ट्रीट करिवो. So minus same sign means addition. Same sign 4 1 5, that is 5a square. Here is different sign. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 लिखा हुआ नहीं, that is b square. Big number is plus, plus तो लिखा हुआ नहीं. So answer is b square minus 5a. Next question. C number. First write down minus 2x square y plus 4xy square. Again subtraction का करिबा ना, that is 5x square y. 5x square y minus 3xy square. Now sign change. Here is minus, that is plus. Here is plus, that is minus. Okay. Now minus. Same sign addition, that is 7x square xy square. Same sign. Here is same sign. Same sign रखी दबो. Then number दिटा को addition कर दबो. 5 plus 2, that is 7x square y. Understand? Now D number. First we write down, that is 5a minus b minus 2. Next write down 2a minus 3b plus 5. Now change the sign, that is here is plus means minus. Here is minus means plus. Here is plus means minus. Okay. Now solve. Same sign देखो. Now sign is minus. Here is minus. Same sign means addition. Same sign. Here is different sign, subtraction, 3 minus 1, that is 2, big number is plus, here is B. Here is different sign, that is 3A, big number is plus. Okay. Next, minus P minus Q minus R, P Q minus R. Now first change the sign, that is plus minus, here is minus because nothing means plus sign, that's why it's minus. Okay, so different sign, plus or minus are cancel, that is 0. Here is minus minus, same sign means addition, 1 1 2 Q minus sign. Here is same sign, addition, 1 1 2 P. So answer equal to minus 2P minus 2Q. Next, F number, minus AQ plus BQ plus 3ABC. First write down after from, then write down AQ plus BQ minus 3ABC. Now change the sign, here is plus, here is minus, here is minus. Now check different same sign, so addition plus 6ABC. Here is different sign, so cancel, that is 0. Here is same sign, so addition minus same sign plus addition, that is 1 1 2, that is 2AQ. So answer is minus 2AQ plus 6ABC. Clear? Next question. Question number 3, that is the subtract by the horizontal method. It is important. The 3 mark questions exam re sure asbo gote. So a first kemti siko kemti ame solve kariba. First write down after from, 4x minus 6y minus z. Now minus sign for subtraction, then start the bracket. In bracket write down the 2x minus 3y plus 4z. Now open the bracket. Okay, so now 4x minus 6y minus z. Open the bracket means the sign will be changes. Here 2 sign is, but 2x sign is plus, this will be minus. 3y sign is minus, it will be changes to plus, and 4z sign is plus, it will be minus. Or simply minus will be multiply all the terms. Okay, so minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus. That's why simply we remember the bracket, when we bracket open, all the terms sign will be changes. Clear? Next, now arrange, that is 4x minus 2x bracket. Now minus 6y plus 3y bracket. Now minus z minus 4z. Okay, now check. Here is same sign or different sign? Different sign. Different sign means subtraction. 4 minus 2 how much? 2. 2x. Big number is plus. Here different sign, subtraction, big number is minus, so that's why you write minus 3y. Here is same sign, so same sign, number will be added, that is 5z. Answer. Understand? Now B number, minus 4x plus 3y minus 2x minus 4y, then bracket, because after minus then will be put bracket, then minus 4x plus 3y. Now open the bracket means sign will be changes. 2x sign means nothing means plus, that's why it will be minus 2x, that is plus 4y. Arrange minus 4x minus 2x plus 3y plus 4y. Number will be added, minus 6x plus 7y. Okay, next question number C. First write down 6p square minus q square plus 2r minus 9. Now minus, in bracket we write down 5q square minus p square minus 7r. Now open the bracket, 6p square minus q square plus 2r minus 9, sorry, minus 5q square plus p square plus 7r. Sign will be changes. Now next arrange, that is 6p square plus p square bracket minus q square minus 5q square bracket plus 2r plus 7r bracket minus 9. Now 7p square minus 6q square plus 9r minus 9. This is the answer. Next question, D number. X plus y minus bracket minus x minus y. Now open the bracket plus x plus y. It will be minus, so it will be changed with plus and it will be plus. Now arrange x plus x plus y, that is 2x plus 2y. Okay. Next, E number. Similarly, first write down 10 minus 4 pqr plus 3p minus bracket start 7 pqr minus 8p plus 3. Open the bracket minus 7 pqr plus 8p minus 3. Now arrange. So first we write down minus 4 pqr minus 7 pqr. Now write down 3p plus 8p. Now 10 minus 3. Same sign added 11 pqr. Same sign added 11p. Different sign subtraction, both big number sign, that is 7. Okay. Now similarly, F number 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 3 minus bracket start 5x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. Bracket open minus 5x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 3. Okay, minus 5x cube plus 5x cube cancel or 0. This will be minus 3 added, that is minus 6x square plus 2 plus 1, that is 3x. Here is 0. Okay, so answer is 6x square minus 6x square plus 3x. Now next question number 4, subtract this from 0. So first write down 0, because after from first we write, then minus sign, then bracket start 3x plus 2y minus 5xy. Now open the bracket. So minus 0 minus 3x, here is minus 2y, here is plus. Okay, now answer is 3 minus 3x minus 2y plus 5xy. Understand? If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my Telegram or WhatsApp group, link in the description box. Next question, question number 5. This is very important question, 5 number and 6 number. How to solve? You can solve by the column method, otherwise horizontal method. First we add x square plus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1, 1 1 2, here is 0, here is 2x square. Okay, now subtract. From means first we write down this. So write down 2x square plus 0x plus 2, write down, that is minus x square minus x plus 1. Now change the sign, here is minus, here is plus, here is plus. Now 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus sign because big number is plus. Here is 1 plus 0, that is 1, or similarly first write down plus x. Okay, here is write down 2 same sign 3x square. So answer is 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay, next 6 number. First we add this one, this and this. Okay, 2a plus 3b, a minus 2b plus c, minus a plus 2c, 4a plus 2b minus 5. Okay, actually this question is solved by the horizontal method. Okay, so first write down, here is minus 5, 2 plus 1, that is 3c, plus here is 2b minus 2b cancel, that is plus 3b, a cancel, 2 plus 4, that is 6a. So sum is 6a plus 3b plus 3c minus 5. So from means first we write down from, that is 6a minus 4b plus 8. Then write down 6a plus 3b, then minus 5, then plus 3c. Now change the sign, here is minus, plus, minus, minus. So minus it will be cancelled. Same sign means same sign addition, that is minus 7b. Here is same sign 8 plus 5, that is 13. Here is minus 3c. This is the final answer. Okay, otherwise you can solve by the horizontal method. First you solve addition by the horizontal method, again solve the horizontal method subtraction. Okay, so completed. जदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करिबो। यदि चैनल को पर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करिनो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दियो, जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करी ए टाइप रो तुम्हें फर्स्ट नोटिफिकेशन शो कर। ओके, आउ जदि पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करियो चाहू देन व्हाट्सएप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे जॉइन हो जाओ, पीडीएफ पाई जिवो। ओके, थैंक यू।